So today Debbie and I are visiting one of our favourite spots, which are the sea defences that bridge between Cleveleys and Fleetwood, two little towns on the Fylde coast, very close to where we live, and just got me thinking about how much I enjoy building things and how much I appreciate things that other people have built when they build them well. And these sea defences are just a fantastic example. They have naturalised so nicely all of the rocks and everything that have used to break the force of the waves, have weathered away really well, and they look almost like they've always been there. And one of the things that Debbie and I really love about this little stretch of sea defence is that they've put groins in, again, to break the force of the waves. Groins are just the big piles of rocks that run out to sea. And so people can still walk along the beach. They've put these little bridges in across the groins, and it just makes for such a picturesque little walk. And on the far side of these sea defences, they've built a nature reserve, and that's just at the very beginnings of turning into something that's, worth a visit. But the nice thing about it is it's all really good if you're in a wheelchair or a buggy or something, or pushing a pushchair. It's extremely accessible. And these sea defences have been built at multiple levels, and so no matter what the weather, you can kind of always get in a really nice walk along them. You can either walk along the beach, or you can walk along the first level, or up on the highest level. And there's steps down to the beach at quite a frequency. Anyway, so what I really wanted to talk about was the fact that I just really love building things. It's one of my absolute passions. And I don't just build things in the physical world. I like to build things in software and create diagrams and do drawings. But on the allotment, it's just been amazing, because you're kind of freed on an allotment from the need to build things to a high quality, which means you can build things really quickly and bodge them together and use all sorts of mismatched materials and just have a whale of a time with an electric screwdriver and a packet of stainless steel screws. And you can just knock together all sorts of stuff, and as it gradually starts breaking, you can do loads of little repair jobs to it and things like that. And for somebody that just likes to build, allotments are just a real paradise, really. And it's been one of the really unexpected benefits. I knew when I started gardening that I would really love the actual process of growing my own food. I just didn't really anticipate just how much I would love the endless little construction projects that an allotment provides the opportunity to do. So there we go, that's my little thought for the day. If you've never really embraced having a go at building, then I highly recommend that you get started and you use an allotment as your playground. My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.